In this video I will show you how to make revealing scroll parallax animation in Figma. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. I have already made a video on this. If you have not watched this video, go and watch the video, the link is in description. Let's make a frame. Now make a rectangle in frame. Duplicate it. Make sure both rectangles have equal spacing from sides. Now let's add some text. Now select the rectangle and add some images. Now select the text frame and make him slightly smaller. Make sure both rectangles have equal spacing from both sides. Now turn the text frame opacity to 0. Now duplicate the frame. Now resize the text and make its opacity 100. Now select both frame and make a component set. Now put it in frame. Now duplicate it. And change their images and text. Now let's prototype them. Connect the first frame with second. Choose while hovering. Animation will be Smart Animate. Curve will be Custom. And make custom duration 1300 milliseconds. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for new videos.